Hello and welcome back to another chapter of my channel, Carrie Houston TV. So for this video we're continuing a new chapter in where I'm going to show you how to apply a wig, a short bob lace front wig. So this is what I'm going to be showing you for this video, and if you're interested in how to get the steps, then I suggest you stay tuned to check it out. Some bomb ice cream.
First step is I'm going to have my hair here. I'm going to be using got to be glue. And definitely you'll be needing a wig cap. Which I have right here, but this one's brand new. It's an extra. I'll be using my old one because my old one still works perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the step, and also I'll be needing this brush right here, and then I'll be needing this one for my baby hairs. And I think that's it. So let's get ready to show. So first step was to make a ponytail. Now second step is I'm gonna go ahead and braid the ponytail, and then I'm gonna make sure it just kind of like I can just hide it away. So now that I've completed the second step, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hide this ponytail. That would be the third complete step. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Make sure I'm gonna curve it to the side of that, so it's like literally against my head. And I'll be needing a bobby pin, which I totally forgot to add as one of the things. So as you can see, I'm adding the bobby pin in. Okay, so we want to make sure we seal it. I'm gonna go ahead. It only takes two, I think, or so, just depending how you feel. Okay, that was third step. Now let's go on to the fourth step real quick. This is not really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get a bunch of this, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on top of the wig cap, all over. A lot of people use the hair dryer. You can use that. I kind of like, for me, what I do is just wait and let it out, let it air out. So that works perfectly for me. So okay, so first things first. Here's the inside of it. Give me a second. Is my near forehead, and I'm gonna go ahead and just gently rub against it because I want that to make sure it comes out good. Now fix the bottom, the back part. The back part should have some combs inside, so you want to make sure you click it in the back, hook it to your hair, and that should work comfortably for the back. That should be better for the back. That should be good for the back. And just brush it, and don't forget to fix the sides because the sides needs fixing. On the sides, you kind of like tightly insert the brush without having to pull off the wig because it already has glue, I remind you, and slightly insert the clips, the brush, the comb into your hair. And then lastly, you're going to see some clips. You're going to feel some clips in the back. They're like some kind of hooks. And some hooks that you kind of like do this, and you lock it in. And that should be going. That should be good to go. And yeah, and the gel And so now I'm gonna put this much onto my brush, and I'm gonna, okay, so now I'm gonna work on my baby hairs. Okay, so I don't like the baby hairs because they're kind of like real tender. So this is what I got. I hope you guys like it. It is simple. It's in there. I put glue all over, so it's in there. It's really tight, so it's not going nowhere. And yes, simple to six to seven simple steps on how to just apply the wig real quick. So yeah, real easy, quick, fast, and yeah.